So hey guys, welcome back to my channel Developers Corner. So in the last video we are done with add to wishlist functionality and product listing functionality. So now what we are going to do is we will fetch our wishlist products on our wishlist page, and from here also we can remove the wishlist products. Okay, so that also we will do. We will fetch our blogs. Okay, and then we will create our like single blog functionality. Okay, and then we will make this part also dynamic. Okay, so let's start. So first of all what we have to do is okay, let's create go to src. Okay, this is okay components. Now go to wishlist. Okay, and one more thing we need is user service. So this we need to create. So const get user wishlist is equal to async. So const response is equal to await get dollar base underscore url user slash wishlist. Okay, and here we need to send the config also. So config we need to pass. If we have response dot data, then we will return return response dot data. Let me check if it is, yeah, mic is attached. Actually last time I forgot to attach my mic and I wasted 3 hours of content. So let's start. So get user wishlist. Okay, so go to user slice. Mm, okay, so let me create it again. I have done this before and I forgot to attach my mic. I lost a lot of content. So create async thunk. Okay, and this one will be user slash wishlist comma async thunk API. Okay, inside this try catch error, and it will return thunk API dot reject with value error. Okay, otherwise it will return thunk API dot, sorry, not this, return await auth service dot get user wishlist and call it. Now go down, Control C. So dot add case get user product wishlist dot in case of pending. So in case of pending, when what I'm doing state, then state dot, if in case of pending then state dot is loading will be true, then we have to add another case. So get user product wishlist dot in case of fulfilled state comma action. Okay, then state dot is loading will be false, state dot is error will be false, then state dot is success will be true, then state dot wishlist is equal to action dot payload. And then we have to add another case for get product wishlist dot rejected. In case of rejection, state comma action, then state dot is loading will be false, state dot is error will be true, then state dot is success will be false, then state dot message will be action dot error. Okay, so this we have to do now. We will go to wishlist and open our store to the side, copy the required things, control C, control V. So get products from get wishlist from DB. Same we need to change it here. Okay, and mm, get let me check that what's the name for that. Go to user slice, that user product wishlist. So get user product wishlist. Okay, then const wishlist state is equal to use selector, then state it will return state dot auth dot. Okay, use effect is not defined. Effect. Okay, give me a minute. State dot use. Okay, remove this dot for some time. Inspect it. Go to Dux. So state dot auth dot wishlist. State dot auth dot dot wishlist. Okay, this we have to do. Now copy this, control C. Inside wishlist we have the products. Mm, okay, wishlist dot wishlist. Okay, so after that control C, close these two calls, remove that, control V dot map. Inside map we have item index, and it will return what it will return, this call 3. Okay, and pass key as index. Okay, and copy this item, control C, control V dot title, control C, price, control C, control V dot images 0 dot URL, question mark, control C, control V, If nothing is there, then we have to show this default one. So let's check what we are getting. So we are getting these images. So t dash block mx dash auto. Let's give some width to it. 160 I am giving. Let me check. It's too much. Okay, so this is what we are getting. View bz dash right here. Okay, so this is the output we are getting. Here we need to do one more thing, that remove from wishlist. So we will create a function remove from wishlist. Okay, so to remove we will use the same slice. So it will dispatch add to wishlist, and from here we need to pass the id. Okay, copy this, control c, on click control v, item question mark dot underscore id. Okay, and after that again we need to fetch what we need to fetch the wish list. After 300 milliseconds, copy this, control c v. Okay, is patch. Okay, sorry, dispatch. So if I click this one remove, this one remove, if I go to again our store, if I add, then there is one product. If I add one more, then there is two. Okay, so our store. Now if I go again, so here is nothing. So this wishlist functionality is done. Now what we can do is control C. Mm, if not this, and div no data. Let me check where it is coming. If wishlist state is equal to a blank string, then no data, inspect it. Let me check if I am getting anything. No, there is nothing. Okay, wishlist state. Do Let me check what I am getting in wishlist state. So log wishlist state. So console, it's a blank array. Okay, so let me make this like that. So here still we are not getting no data. Mm-mm. Dot length equal to 0. Yeah, then no data. So div class name bz dash secondary unknown to this text dash center. I'm showing for now, and fs dash 3. Yeah, I think it's fine. Now let's start working on blocks. So here we have to fetch our blocks. So for blocks, what we have to do is we have to create one folder in features. So create a folder blocks. Inside block we have block slice.js. After that block service.js. Open this product service, control AC, go to block service. Remove this, Control X. Mm, okay, so here we will look at blogs. We don't need this, so this one will be go to blog. Okay, remove this, and this one will be get blogs. Now go to blog slice. Go, okay, Control A, C, go to blog slice, Control V, get all, remove this, add to product one, and same here we need to remove. Okay, so go to blog service. This will be blog service. Okay, I think it's fine from here. So get all blogs, make this big capital. Okay, blog slash get thunk API, blog service dot get blogs, sit get blogs. Change this product to blog and change this to get all blogs and change it to blog. Okay, so after that we need to combine it with our store. So go to app store.js. So import blog user from dot slash feature slash not blogs slash blog slice. So blog reducer. Okay, now if I will check my state, go to log. So here we are getting 3. Okay, so now go to blogs. Okay, close this. Open our store to the side. Copy the required things. Copy. Control C. I don't want to waste my time to repeat these things again and again. Okay. Use effect. So let's start. So state dot blog blog blog. Okay. So get blogs, get all. Go to blog slice. Save it. Get all blogs. Okay, now here you can get our blog state. Control C, let me check. Inside blog, okay, yeah, this is fine. Let's remove these other cards. Okay, Control V, dot map item, comma index. Mm-mm. And it will return this one. Okay, and here we have to pass the key as an index. So here we pass props. So inside this item question mark dot underscore id. Then we have title item question mark dot title description is equal to item question mark dot description, and one more thing is there, image. item question mark dot images zeroth dot url if we have any. Okay, like this we have to send. Now go to components, product card, open block card.js to the side. So here we have to fetch these details as props, as I told earlier that I have done all of this, but I forgot to attach my mic, so I wasted lot of content. Okay, so like this we have to pass our ID, title, and one more thing I forgot is date. So for date, one package we need to install, which is npm cd digitick, sorry, digitick dash website dash master, I think. Yeah, so npm I moment. So this is the package we need to install. Okay, moment. So after that what we will do is import moment from where, moment. Okay, so moment dot format. What we have to format is item question mark dot created underscore at, and here we will fetch our date. Let me check console reading format. So go to moment react, open this one moment.js. Okay, copy this, control V. Okay, control X. Okay, so like this we have to send. Go to blog, still we are not getting. Okay, let me check import moment. Okay, so here we are getting our date as in this format. If you want to change it, then if you want to remove the seconds, then you can remove like this. Okay, I think it is giving current time March 27, 2023, 4:49 p.m. Why? Okay, let me check. Go to network, go to blog. It's 10 to 5. Okay, why it is giving wrong? Created at. Okay, see, this is the matter. So now we are getting the right time. Okay, so this is what we have to do here. And one more thing we need to change is the description. This description we don't have to show like this. Go to product card, control C. Okay, remove this description. So and this we don't have to show the full. So here what we can do is dot sub str 0 comma 70. Okay, so only this one will show plus dot dot dot. Okay, so like this we can do. And okay, block slash. Now if I click here, so here we are getting this data. So we have to fetch the single block also. So now let's create one more service named control V, remove this S, get block. Okay, slash dollar id. This id we need to fetch from here. Okay, id. Now export it. Get blog, shift, get blog, go to blog slice, copy this, control C, control V, change this get all blocks to get a block. From here we need to send the id. Okay, and here we need to pass the block, sorry, in id. Now go down, add the cases. So I'm copying the whole, why I will waste my time. So change this to shift. Mhm. Get a blog, I think, yeah, get a blog. Get single blog, like this you can do. Okay, so this is also done. Now go to single blog.js, open blog.js to site, copy the required things, statement. Okay, copy this, and it will go to state.blog.single blog. So use effect, insert use effect, get blogs. Hmm, get a blog. Okay, so this we need to do. Now here we need to do one more thing. We need to pass the id. So that id we will get from const location is equal to use location. So const get blog id, get blog id is equal to location dot path name dot, we need to split the path. So split dot split, with slash we have to split it. So we need the second index, because 0 1 2. Okay, so after that this id we will pass it here. So copy this block state, and let's change it to block state dot title, control C, control V, same we need to do here, control V, and go to block card. Okay, so we have block state dot description. Okay, so like this we have to do. I'm getting an error. Console. Let me check. Location dot path name. Const location. Use location dot path name. What's the problem there? Use location. Okay. Let's go back. Block state dot map. Okay, let's check. Block state dot map. Okay. Here we will add a condition. If block state and end, then we don't get any error. Read more. Same we will do here. Okay, this is fine, but why I'm getting the error? Okay, location. Let me find it. Log location. Let me check what I'm getting. Get blog ID is not defined. Let's remove for some time. Go to console. It's there now. Control. Oh shit. This is not a function. So this is what I'm doing wrong. So here we are getting our data. Okay. Okay, this is also fine. So here we need to do one more thing. So block state dot images images 0 dot url. Then we have to show this, otherwise we will show the default image. Okay, so go back. This functionality is also done. Now let's move to mm, what's the error? Cannot read properties of substring. Let me check. Go to block card. Okay, I got it. Why I'm getting this? So here also we need to fetch the block details. So go to blocks, control C, open home to the side, open to the side, control not here, control V, remove this. Okay, yeah, this is done. So block state, go down. Now control S. Okay. Okay, so this is what we are getting here. This one will be called as 3, but here I need to give a condition. So okay, control X. If, let me check if I can give here. Okay, control X. If index less than equal to 4, or we can say 3, then only we have to show, otherwise we don't have to show. Okay, so if I click on read more, so here we are getting the data. Yeah, this is also dynamic. So this block part is also done. Yeah, so that's it for this video. So let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Okay, thank you.